Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to kind of give you an idea of how I pack for a trip as far as my makeup goes, okay? Maybe I'll do another one on skincare. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments and I can share that for you. So this isn't going to be like, this is what I do every single time, but I just want to give you an idea of what I would pack for a trip. I shared this bag that I got. I got this at Ulta, and this is from Tartan and Twine, okay? It's the name of it, okay? And then you get this little section here that velcros out, and then you have this, see how it comes out, and then you have those two pockets there, okay? So when I go on a trip somewhere, I don't bring a ton of makeup. I bring stuff with that I can do, you know, especially like an eye palette or something, a couple of different looks. Like I wouldn't bring a palette like this with me. I wouldn't bring this with me, okay? I want to try to pack as light as possible. Even though I don't fly in an airplane, I just don't want to bring I don't want to think about it. I just want to have my stuff and go, okay? So I'm going to show you a couple palettes just to give you an idea of what I would bring. This is one of them, and I've brought this several times already. This is from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is one of her face palettes, okay? So you have this nice little mirror there, but then you have everything you need. The powder. This is actually a powder, so she didn't have that in another one. So you have your powder, your bronzer, your highlighter, your blush, okay? And then you have your eyeshadows down here. And you can even use these on your eyes. So I can do a whole look with this and pull my face together, and that's all I need, okay? Or I will bring something like this. Oh, I wish Chanel would make these. I stopped making these. They haven't had these for a couple years. But this is that Chanel palette that has all these eyeshadows in it. So it's a nice mini little palette that I would bring, okay? And I wouldn't bring both of those. I wouldn't bring this and this. You know, it'd be one or the other. This is another one that I would bring. Something like this. This one was gifted to me. This is from Urban Decay. But I like it because it's so nice and let me fix my hair. I like it because it's so nice and mini. You know, it's just a nice little size to put in there. But if I do this, then I have to bring a blush. So I'm just going to pack this bag. And I'm just going to use the Charlotte Tilbury today. Okay? Or you know what? I'll do it the other way so you can see how much stuff you can get in here. So I'll put more stuff in. But if you did this, I'd have a lot more room. So then I want to bring a bronzer and a highlighter. So I would bring this one. This one's from Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, so I'll pack that in my bag. And then a blush. So a blush I would bring is something like this. This one's from Lancome. This is Smile and Blush. And the nice thing about this one is it's oil-free too. So from, you know, I live in Florida, summertime, then I would pack this. That's all I got in there. Okay? So then a foundation, and I probably would grab this one. This is my MAC Studio Fix. This one's really nice and, you know, wears really well on me. So I put this in there. And then, of course, I have to bring my Sisley concealer. Then I would need to bring a lip liner. I would bring a lip pencil sharpener, but I don't have one in front of me, but I'll put a lip pencil sharpener in there. I would bring my mascara, my Milani Anti-Gravity Mascara that I love. My eyelash curler. I would bring my brushes for doing my concealer, which I probably would put in this little pocket on the side. I'll show you in a minute. Get this here. So I would put those right here. Okay. Then lipstick. Estee Lauder, and this is the number 291, and it's called Nude Rouge. I don't know if they have this color anymore, but it's a really pretty color. So I'll just pop that in there, okay? So again, this is what I have in my bag so far. Then I need to bring a powder. Probably would get this one. This is from Estee Lauder, and this is the Double Wear powder. So I put in there. I still have, like, look at all the room I have in there still. And that's pretty much everything I need for a full face. So, I could take these brushes. Now, I don't think I could put this in here. I don't think this would fit. Yeah, that would be really tight. I probably wouldn't be able to bring my BK Beauty thing. And I would also pack in here my beauty sponge, which I would put in here. So this is dirty. It would be clean. Okay, so I'll pack that in there. And then, oh, I gotta have my Charlotte Tilbury. Gotta have that. My eyeshadow primer. Gotta have that. I think I got everything. Okay. Brushes from BK Beauty that I would bring with me. And they come in this nice case that I showed you, but I wouldn't be able to fit it in here. But I would just put them on my side pocket, which I'll show you in a second. See, I got them right there. And then on this side, I have Laura Mercier brushes. And I'm going to be honest with you, I don't like these as much as the BK Beauty. Now that I've used them, they're okay. Actually, I like the other ones, but they all fit in here. Look at, I got all my brushes in there. So that's what I would do if I was packing for a trip. Everything fits in there perfectly. I love this bag. This bag is fabulous. So that's all I do when I pack for a trip. If I wanted to bring a primer, I could bring a primer. This is one of them. This is the Touch Up Silk Canvas. It's oil-free. Or my Mac Studio Fix. I could bring with two, and I still have plenty of room in there. I'll show you. Look at, I have plenty of room in there still. I like that I can see everything. I love it. I may actually get another one of these just to use for my skincare. I don't know if they have another color in this, because it wouldn't be nice to have two different colors, but I wouldn't mind getting one like this for my skincare and using it for my skincare, you know? So that's pretty much how I pack for a trip. I don't bring a lot of stuff. I just bring, like, I want to do quick makeup when I'm going somewhere. I don't have time to be doing. Another thing that I bring sometimes too, which I didn't share, are like, I don't have them in there, but like I might bring some caviar sticks, you know, like maybe 2 caviar sticks. I could do a quick look, or those Tom Ford little pots that I got that has the cream on the bottom and then has a shimmer on the top, like something like that. Like when I'm on vacation, I don't care if it's the same look every day, because I just want quick, like we're going to be doing stuff. I don't want to be spending like an hour and a half in the bathroom getting ready. I just want to be quick. You know what I'm saying? My skincare takes long enough. I need to like minimize my makeup situation. So that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments, what do you do when you pack for a trip? Do you even bring makeup with you? Do you have a really cool makeup bag you want to share with everybody? Share it in the comments below, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye.